Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make spinach salad at home using an easy method. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 5 ounces of crisp spinach, which is roughly 5 cups. Then, select your favorite toppings, perhaps some sweet strawberries, crunchy walnuts, or creamy feta cheese. Finally, have a delicious, simple vinaigrette dressing on hand to bring all the flavors together beautifully. This quick preparation ensures a delightful meal in just minutes. Now let's get our ingredients ready. First, gently wash your 5 ounces of fresh spinach under cool running water. This step is crucial for a clean salad. Next, dry the spinach thoroughly using a salad spinner or by patting it with paper towels. Excess water can dilute your dressing. Then prepare your chosen toppings. If you're using larger items like strawberries or bell peppers, chop them into small, bite-sized pieces. This ensures every forkful is perfectly balanced and enjoyable. It's time to assemble our delicious spinach salad. Take your perfectly washed and dried spinach and place it into a large mixing bowl. Next, artfully arrange your prepared toppings over the spinach. Think about color and texture as you add items like sliced almonds, cherry tomatoes, or a sprinkle of goat cheese. Finally, and this is key, drizzle about 2 tablespoons of your favorite vinaigrette dressing over the salad just before you're ready to serve. This keeps the spinach crisp and fresh. Your easy homemade spinach salad is almost ready to enjoy. Once the dressing is added, gently toss all the ingredients together in the bowl. Make sure every leaf and topping gets a light coating of that delicious vinaigrette. This ensures a burst of flavor in every bite. Serve your beautiful salad immediately in individual bowls to maintain its crispness. This simple, nutritious meal is perfect as a light lunch or a fantastic side dish. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.